Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cancel your Namecheap account step by step. If you no longer need your account or want to stop using their services, this guide will help you do it the right way. First, log into your Namecheap account and go to your dashboard. Before canceling, make sure you do not have any active domains, hosting plans, or remaining balance. You may need to transfer your domains or turn off auto-renew settings to avoid future charges. This step is important because you typically cannot fully close an account with active services still attached. Next, go to the Help or Support section and look for the option to submit a request or contact support. Namecheap does not always provide a direct delete button, so you will need to request account cancellation through their support team. But choose the category related to account access or account management, then clearly state that you want to permanently close your account. Finally, wait for a response from support and follow any additional instructions they provide. They may ask you to verify your identity before completing the request. Once approved, your account will be closed. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple guides.